Some of the juiciest trading setups to me happen when a chart goes vertical. And by vertical, I mean like the stock chart going parabolic, basically. The reason that's interesting is because typically when that happens, we get the bulls kind of toppling over each other to buy, and then they quickly run out of buying power. So if you look at, for example, Spotify, obviously music streaming company, podcasting, all that stuff, fantastic run here over the past 12 months or so. But we're now starting to see the stock go vertical after an already steep move. And so let's look at this a bit more closely, and you can see what's been happening. The stock, let's say year over year, let's go back to about, there you go. So November, stock's up about 560%. Again, hell of a story. But again, what's happening now is that the stock chart is going from steep to literally vertical, straight back up. And so where this becomes an interesting opportunity is to kind of think about what's really happening through the lens of investor psychology. And through the lens of investor psychology, at least the way I look at it right now, is that investors are, get more into censure here, are again toppling over each other. So I think they're going to run out of buying power here real soon. Now, I typically don't want to short into something that's gone kind of parabolic like this, but what I'm really looking to do is I'm looking to see if I might be able to put on a trade where I say, okay, this stock may not collapse from here, but it's probably going to run out of steam. So I would sell a call up here and then buy a call spread up a bit higher. Now, we need enough options liquidity. And again, I think this is going to take maybe another day or two for that to happen because, again, the stock is now at all-time highs. And so new options have to first be created up there, way out of the money. And then, of course, options liquidity has to come back in. But this is a really interesting stock, I think, to watch here over the next, call it 2 weeks or so, to, again, not make necessarily the bet that the stock's going to collapse. That's not the point. But that after this huge run, it's likely just going to stall. Maybe it goes sideways. Maybe it goes down a little bit. But just that it's running out of steam. So I think this is a really interesting setup here. Hope it helps. See you again soon.